The HLOIE Folding Electric Bike is designed for both adults and teens, featuring a high-speed brushless motor that peaks at 500 watts, allowing riders to easily tackle inclines. With a top speed of 23 miles per hour, this bike ensures a swift and exhilarating ride, making it a great choice for daily commutes or leisurely rides. The bike comes equipped with a 48-volt, 12-ampere-hour removable battery, offering a range of up to 35 miles in pedal assist mode, ensuring long-lasting journeys. Weighing only 62 pounds, the bike is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to store and transport, while adjustable seats and handlebars provide customized comfort. Advanced suspension and high-quality disc brakes offer a smooth and safe ride over rough terrain, complemented by a reliable lighting system for added safety. HLOIE stands by the quality of their product with a 180-day warranty, and the bike arrives 98% pre-assembled with tools and a manual for convenience.